Hello guys, welcome to the another video. First of all, thank you to you all for watching my videos. So in this video I'm gonna explain you very important things, which is going to be for the private hire license, who's gonna apply the application after the 1st of October. So you can see on the title is saying safety, equality and the regularity understanding requirement. Means you have to do this test if you're gonna apply for the application after 1st of October. But if you did not submit your English requirement before 30 September 2021 and you applied for a PCO, then you still need to do this test as well. Okay, so I'm gonna walk through and I'm gonna break it down in step by step. So what is this test is going to be and how in the exam is going to be look like. So this test is going to be, there is going to be the section safety, equality and regularity and understanding. So to prepare this assessment, they're telling us question in the SERU assessment. SERU is going to be safety and equality and regularity understanding. So this is called SERU or SARU. Will be based on upon the contents of the PHP driver handbook. Means you need to read this whole book, which is about 57 page. I'm gonna put this book in the description underneath this video, then you can download from there and you have to read this book. And if you want to apply for a private hire license, you must start reading this book, because this is not going to be easy. It's going to be a little bit hard and you have to learn a lot of stuff. And I just put some mock test as well on the website, on my website. If you wanna get these mock tests, just contact with me, then I will provide you. This is only £7.99. Okay, so this is the book. You have to read this book to get prepared for this assessment. So they are saying the assessment is going to be online. Sorry, I'm going to read the more informations. So the SERU assessment will take place at the TFL driver assessment center and will be delivered by the TFL staff. I mean, you can't do in any other place. You have to do in the TFL centers. So all the assessment is going to be the computer based, and you will therefore need a basic understanding of the mouse. Means you just, if you can use the mouse, it's going to be easy. So they will give you the time to prepare as well. So I'm just going to read the important information. So they will be contact if you gonna do the SERU assessment. They will send you email to book it. So the next one is going to be one more important thing. The fees. The fees is going to be is for the new application. The cost for the new applications for the people who is applying after 1st of October. So they're gonna pay £108, which is going to be the topographical test, SARU and the speaking and listening assessment as well. So it's going to be all together £108. And if you're going to do reset, this is going to be £16 for reset assessment. Okay, but if you're going to apply for a naval application, the cost for naval is £36 per module. The cost for the existing lessons with no English language requirements is going to be £72. I'm not going to speak about, I'm just in this video I'm just going to speak about SARU. So okay, the SARU, they give us the link. I'm gonna put the link of this website as well in my description. Please watch from there. So in this online assessment, means they can just give the demo as well, how it's going to be look like. So means the book is online, is available as well. Means if you're gonna read all, if you want to read all the information, you can. So you can see on the right, this is introductions, then there's a sections there. So you have to read all the sections. Means you can get prepared if you're gonna do this assessment as well by yourself. So just you read through this one. So then I'm gonna show you how it's gonna be look like. So if you're gonna read this one, then you're gonna just scroll down, then it will tell you go next. I'm gonna show you how it's gonna be look like. Yeah, just continue. Then it will tell you just read this. I mean, this is self preparations they provide you. It's this is going to be in the book as well, so you can read the book or you can read this as well. So but if you're gonna read this one, it's very good because it will ask you the question as well. It's like a self-assessment. You're gonna read this one, then you press continue, try to remember these things as well. So then continue, then you keep reading and continue, and yeah, then I want to show you the end. Change of the address, they will means the basic things, but this is, you have to remember this as well. It's not going to be easy job. So now when you done this first section, then will ask you the knowledge test. So what information has the section on the London PHV driver license covered? So I'm going to click randomly, then you're going to submit it, then they tell you right or wrong, then you can try again as well. If you want to continue, you can. Then is section 2, means these are the section on the left hand side. If you want to see, you have to do all. Now I want to show you the test. The test is going to be look like SERU assessment, what to expect. So the SERU assessment is going to be look like this. I want to show you. Look, so this is the question, is going to be look like this. So the question says some of the words in the PHV driver's handbook have links to section where you can find the meaning of these words. What is a section called? So means you have to click any one of these. If I zoom this one, you can see. Yeah, so the next question is going to be look like this. So the question, please read the following information carefully and answer the questions below. So you're going to read this information which is in the book, they took from the book. If you read the book, you will be able to answer easily. It's not going to be hard. Then the next question is going to be look like this. Means it's going to be the fill in the blanks, and the information is going to be at the bottom. You're going to drag one, like the first is carefully, you're going to put it there in the first section. Then second means you're going to put the different words. The other one is going to be same, like is a fill in the blanks as well. You're going to drag the information and you're going to put it into the right. It's showing you here. Look, you're going to put based, then handbook, like this. Yeah, so these is going to be the assessment. Is going to look like. How many questions are going to be there? Because this is a new, just we don't know anything. They just tell us the information, means we have to do this test. So hope so you understand all the things. So this is a SARU assessment. So I can tell you one more thing. If you want to do the English language test, so it's going to be same as well. Means this is kind of reading and writing. So you're not going to do any B1, any other English test. So you're going to do, so for your reading and writing, they're going to assess from this SARU test. Means if you're going to do the SARU test, it means you're going to cover your English requirement assessment as well. So with this SARU written, writing and written one, they're going to assess your reading and writing. Then for speaking and listening, you have to book another one. You're going to pay about 30 to 16 pound as well. This is going to be 15 to 20 minutes for speaking and reading. But in this video, I'm just telling you what is the SARU test. So hope so you understand this one. So if you have any questions, please you can ask me. Then I make some mock tests as well. If you want to do more prepare, so you can contact me. We provide topographical training as well. So please give me thumbs up if you like this video, and subscribe to my channel because I put the videos more often. Thank you so much for watching this video.